Since I was a little child, I really wanted to create something new. I like drawing, I like building, I like to sculpt. I started to like computer games and I wanted to create something for other people to enjoy. I came to England 2 years ago during the war in Ukraine because it was quite dangerous. I was a little bit scared to go to uni in UK. I didn't think that my English was good enough. I applied through the clearing system. I don't have any of the documents. All of them was left in Ukraine. The head of the department emailed me. He said, "We will do everything to help you." Of course, I was a bit stressed because it's a new city, new people, new language for me. I just opened my heart to this uni because lots of the staff's trying to help me. And the course is actually what I want to do. I want to do 3D modeling, animation. I'm still thinking to go to digital industry in a gaming company, creating the games, creating the characters for them. They want something interesting, something new, something creative. When I came to uni, all of the people are so friendly, so welcoming. I was thinking, oh, I need to do some societies, and I found a question. I started to do a question when I was in Ukraine. I just can't believe that the uni have this society. Now I'm student ambassador. I wanted to help other people in the same situation like I was. I know that my English is not perfect, but I can show myself now. I can show what I can do, my arts, my skills. It feels like I'm in the right place now, and I really enjoyed.